John Magufuli, the people's president of Tanzania, the bulldozer, the reformist, the man of the people. In a world where leaders are often criticized for excess and inaction, John Magufuli of Tanzania stood apart. Revered as a man of integrity and action, he was not just a president, he was a symbol of hope for millions. Who was John Magufuli? How did he earn the love and respect of his people? And what legacy did he leave behind? This is the story of John Magufuli, a leader who believed in hard work, accountability, and the transformative power of honest leadership. Humble beginnings, John Pombe. Magufuli was born on October 29, 1959, in Chato, a small village on the shores of Lake Victoria. Growing up in a modest family, Magufuli's early life was defined by hard work and determination. He herded cattle and sold milk to pay for his education, a reflection of his relentless pursuit of progress. Unknown fact: Magufuli walked nearly 15 kilometers daily to attend school, often barefoot. He would later credit this experience for teaching him resilience and humility. Magufuli's academic journey was remarkable. He earned a degree in chemistry and mathematics and later a doctorate in chemistry. But his passion wasn't just for science, it was for serving his country. He once said, "True leadership is not about making speeches or being liked. It is about taking action to transform lives." How does a young boy from a rural village rise to become a transformative leader? The bulldozer emerges. Magufuli's entry into politics in the 1990s marked the beginning of his reputation as the bulldozer. As Minister of Public Works, he gained national fame for his no-nonsense approach to delivering infrastructure projects, on time and under budget. He personally inspected roads, fired underperforming contractors, and tackled corruption head-on. Magufuli was known for his unexpected site visits, where he often disguised himself to observe construction projects without being recognized. These surprise checks became a hallmark of his leadership style. In 2015, Magufuli's rise to the presidency was met with both hope and skepticism. Could he bring the same discipline and accountability to the highest office? Leadership that inspired. Magufuli's presidency began with dramatic reforms that earned him the love of his people. Austerity measures. Magufuli canceled expensive Independence Day celebrations, redirecting funds to public health. He cut unnecessary government spending, slashed his own salary, and traveled in modest vehicles instead of motorcades. Magufuli personally ordered the auction of luxury government cars, replacing them with affordable alternatives like Toyota SUVs. War on corruption. Magufuli fired corrupt officials on live television, sent ghost workers packing, and saved billions in public funds by streamlining government processes. Education and healthcare. Under his leadership, public education became free and investments in healthcare soared. He built over 1,500 health centers across Tanzania and purchased advanced medical equipment. Infrastructure revolution. True to his nickname, the bulldozer, Magufuli's government constructed roads, railways, and airports, connecting even Tanzania's most remote regions. Magufuli said, "Our nation's resources must benefit all Tanzanians, not just the privileged few. That is the only way we can truly prosper." Each policy reflected his philosophy. Development should benefit the people, not the elite. Loved by the people. What made Magufuli a beloved leader wasn't just his policies, it was his connection to ordinary Tanzanians. He was known for surprise visits to schools, hospitals, and government offices, where he held officials accountable on the spot. He preferred simplicity over pomp, often walking among his people and engaging with them directly. Magufuli's humility and work ethic resonated with millions who saw him as a leader who understood their struggles. He would sometimes join construction workers, physically helping to lay bricks during inspections. This act of solidarity left a lasting impression on many Tanzanians. For Tanzanians, Magufuli wasn't just a president. He was one of them. Challenges and controversies. While widely admired, Magufuli's leadership wasn't without controversy. Handling of COVID-19. Magufuli's skepticism toward vaccines and reliance on prayer instead of lockdowns drew criticism both locally and internationally. Crackdowns on opposition. Some accused his administration of stifling dissent and restricting media freedoms. Despite the criticisms, Magufuli's approach to COVID-19 was based on his belief that preserving livelihoods was as important as saving lives. Even his critics acknowledged his unwavering commitment to the welfare of ordinary Tanzanians. A legacy of transformation. John Magufuli's sudden death on March 17, 2021, shocked the world. Tributes poured in, not just from Tanzania but across Africa, praising his leadership and vision. Under Magufuli, Tanzania's economy grew rapidly, public services improved, and the nation emerged as a model of self-reliance. His philosophy of hapa kazi tu, work and nothing else, became a rallying cry for a nation transformed by his leadership. Magufuli's policies saved Tanzania billions in public funds, which were reinvested in healthcare, education, and infrastructure. Spotlight on Tanzania. Tanzania is more than the legacy of John Magufuli. It is a country of breathtaking beauty and rich culture. Serengeti National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and home to the Great Migration, the Serengeti represents Tanzania's unmatched natural wonders. Mount Kilimanjaro. The highest peak in Africa, Kilimanjaro is a symbol of strength and endurance. The people. Known for their warmth, unity, and resilience, Tanzanians embody the values Magufuli cherished. As Tanzania moves forward, it carries with it the spirit of progress and hard work that Magufuli championed. Final reflection. The bulldozer, the reformer, the people's president. John Magufuli will be remembered not just for what he accomplished, but for the values he stood for: hard work, honesty, and a relentless commitment to progress. As Tanzania continues to build on his vision, the question remains: how can leaders across the world learn from his example? What do you think about John Pombe Magufuli's legacy? Was he the ideal leader for Tanzania, or was his approach too bold for the challenges he faced? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more inspiring stories about leaders who changed the world from Sen Entertainment. Thank you for watching.